As an ISTP, your flexibility, hands-on style, and problem-solving strengths naturally shape the hobbies you enjoy, usually drawing you toward activities with clear results. Trying different types of hobbies can help you become more well-rounded. For physical challenges, rock climbing or mountain biking can satisfy your adventurous side. If you're more in the mood for mental challenges, coding or mechanical puzzles let you focus on quiet problem-solving, while gardening can balance your action-oriented side with moments of calm. Creative pursuits like videography or sculpture allow you to create lasting projects that express your vision. Practical hobbies like freelance tech repair or woodworking could even become profitable side gigs. These types of activities build on your ISTP strengths while pushing you to explore new areas. When choosing a hobby, look for options that fit with your ISTP lifestyle. Go for activities that offer flexibility, avoid rigid schedules, and allow you to work in a comfortable setting, whether that's outdoors or in your garage. Focus on hobbies that are low cost but high enjoyment, like DIY projects where a little investment goes a long way. The ideal hobby for you will bring freedom, practicality, and satisfaction, blending naturally into your daily routine. Physical hobbies not only keep you fit, but also bring an adrenaline rush and a sense of accomplishment. Here are some top hobbies that will keep ISTPs active and aligned with their natural strengths. Snowboarding. Snowboarding challenges ISTPs with its fast-paced nature, demanding quick reflexes and adaptability. It combines the thrill of speed with the skill of navigating different terrains. For ISTPs, it also allows room for personal style and progression, making each ride unique. Trail running. Unlike running on a track or pavement, trail running involves varied surroundings and unpredictable conditions, matching an ISTP's love of spontaneous challenges. It's a great way to build endurance and agility, while also providing the solitude and connection with nature that many ISTPs enjoy. Mixed martial arts, MMA. MMA combines different fighting styles, demanding both strategy and physical skill. With its intense physical engagement and mental challenges, MMA offers ISTPs a way to hone their skills in a constantly evolving environment. Parkour. Parkour is all about moving creatively through complex environments without using equipment, finding the fastest and most efficient route. This requires agility, problem-solving, and creativity, making it an exciting pursuit for ISTPs who thrive on overcoming both physical and mental obstacles. The pursuit of knowledge is often more enjoyable for ISTPs when they can apply it in practical, real-world settings. Here are some top hobbies that let ISTPs engage both their minds and hands in meaningful activities. Coding. Coding requires logical thinking and problem-solving, areas where ISTPs naturally shine. By writing and debugging code, ISTPs can create functional software, getting instant feedback on their work. This hobby is not only mentally engaging but also highly practical and marketable. Homebrewing. Homebrewing combines creativity with chemistry and microbiology to make unique beers or ciders. ISTPs will enjoy experimenting with flavors and techniques, with the satisfaction of creating a shareable product. Mechanical repair. Mechanical repair involves diagnosing and fixing machinery, from cars to home appliances. This hobby is perfect for ISTPs who excel at understanding how things work, solving mechanical issues, and bringing complex machines back to life. Moving into the realm of creativity, ISTPs thrive with hobbies that allow them to create tangible, functional art. These hobbies let ISTPs make something useful while often solving a problem in the process. Here are some top creative hobbies particularly suited to the ISTP personality. Woodworking. Woodworking blends engineering and artistry, perfect for ISTPs who enjoy using tools and machines to turn raw materials into finished products. This hobby demands precision and planning, skills ISTPs excel in, and results in functional furniture or decorative pieces. Creating something from scratch provides a strong sense of satisfaction and a tangible reward for their creativity. Jewelry making. Jewelry making involves crafting unique pieces from materials like metals, beads, and stones, appealing to the ISTP's love for intricate, detailed work. This hobby challenges their dexterity and design skills while giving them the satisfaction of creating wearable art. ISTPs can enjoy the technical side of jewelry making, along with the freedom to experiment with different styles. Automotive restoration. Automotive restoration is ideal for ISTPs, combining mechanics with creativity. Restoring a vintage car or motorcycle requires problem-solving, engineering, and an eye for aesthetics, making it a fulfilling project that results in a functional, beautifully enhanced vehicle. Videography. Videography allows ISTPs to capture the world while experimenting with technology. This hobby involves shooting, editing, and producing videos, offering a mix of technical skills and creative storytelling. It's perfect for ISTPs who enjoy exploring new tech and expressing themselves through dynamic, visual content. For ISTPs, taking on hobbies that challenge them to grow can be incredibly rewarding. These balancing hobbies are about expanding your skills and exploring areas you might typically overlook, all while staying engaged and having fun. Cooking classes. Cooking is both a practical skill and a form of art that combines precision with spontaneity, qualities ISTPs appreciate. Cooking classes help you enhance planning and execution skills, offer a chance to interact with others, and deliver a satisfying, tangible result. Plus, the learning process is made enjoyable by the delicious outcomes. Gardening. Gardening is a nurturing activity that requires planning, patience, and a gentle touch, helping to balance the ISTP's more hands-on, rugged traits. This hobby provides visible results as plants grow and thrive, which can be especially rewarding for ISTPs who enjoy seeing the direct outcomes of their efforts. Language learning. Learning a new language is a structured yet engaging hobby that encourages ISTPs to develop new ways of thinking and communicating. It builds cognitive flexibility and cultural awareness, offering practical skills that are useful for travel or work, while also broadening perspectives in an enjoyable way. Turning a hobby into a source of income can be both rewarding and practical, allowing it to sustain itself while providing personal satisfaction. ISTPs can excel at monetizing hobbies by using their problem-solving skills and independence. Hobbies like coding, jewelry making, or auto restoration, which match your natural skills, can easily become profitable side gigs. For more ideas, check out our video on ISTP careers to see how your personality aligns with different career paths. Starting a new hobby may feel daunting, but with the right approach, ISTPs can find great success and satisfaction. Begin by talking to experienced hobbyists to gain practical tips, or try a beginner's class to get hands-on experience. Adapt the hobby to fit your lifestyle. Remember, it's about flexibility and enjoyment, not overcommitment. Start small, Then gradually increase your involvement as you get more comfortable, ensuring the hobby stays fun and enriching. We've looked at how hobbies can impact your life by offering physical activity, creative expression, personal growth, intellectual engagement, and even financial gain. These activities not only play to your ISTP strengths, but also help you develop in new areas. Which of these hobbies speaks to you most, and how might it fit into your life? Step out of your comfort zone and dive into new possibilities. Your next adventure awaits. For more insights into the ISTP life, explore the resources linked in the video description. Feel free to check out our other ISTP videos on the Personality Playbook channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you reach your full potential.